Okay. Got a 4S 5000 and a 2S 5000. So we got 6 S 5000. We're going to run them parallel. See what happens. Okay, everything's set there. All right. Let's go up. Okay. All right. Let's go. She's up and away. And she's coming back. Break her down. Take it down some. Cut it back to 60. Yeah.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
See how much climb we can get out of it? Well, we got some. Let's bring her for a slow drive-by. Slow ride flyby. All right. Is it trailing a little bit? No. It's all right.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Let's do another low flyby. Still at 60%. We look like we got a big rain cloud. I better get this in. Yeah. Yeah, we got an emergency landing coming up. Yes, sir. We got clouds rolling in. Big ones. All right. We got to get it up. Get it in. Them clouds are ugly.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah, not today. We're going to get some rain, Bubba.